guys, let's see what the market has for us today. So we're still going to trade US 30 because US 30 low-key has been doing way better than Nasdaq. Yeah. So let's see what we have for today. We have less than 2 minutes till market open. So I'm gonna draw out this level here. I can use this level for a break since we have a clean level here. So I will use this level here. Then if price breaks below, then I can take a sell trade. And let's go and use this level here. So I can use more of this level here. Yeah. So I'll use this level. The reason I'm using this level, as you can see, we have all these areas here. We have people selling at this point. You can see we have this high, price dropped from here, price dropped. From here, price went up, price came back, went up, went lower for a bit, but we came above that level, went up again. So basically just using that level, and as you can see above this level, we can see people are buying, and below here we see people are selling. So if price breaks below, I'll take a sell trade. If price breaks above, I'll take a buy trade. So as you can see already, the account is already at 600. So what lot size am I going to use today? I'm using a 1, but let's see what point stop we can use. So let's use a 30-point stop loss today. 30 points would not be bad. But if we lose the first trade, then I would try and switch to a 40 points. So we have over 1 second. I'll sell here, and I'll buy. Oh my god, now. And I'll buy here. Yeah. Okay, well, in the sell trade there, we ended up getting filled up late, but it's fine. Okay. Okay. Okay, price is pushing. Okay, now I'll back up. Yeah, so choose here. Okay. I'll go back up again. The 5-second delay is kind of annoying because you don't exactly see what price is doing per second. Okay. Wait, why am I using a 40 points? I'm supposed to use a 30 points. Sorry, my bad. Oh no, I don't know why I was using a 40 points. Okay. Okay, so it seems we might get stopped out. Okay, we might. Okay, so we got stopped out there. We got stopped out there. It's all good. So I would reduce my entry here. So if we decide to sell again, you know, enter right there. I don't know why I was using a 40 points. So I'll take a long here. If price breaks above here, go for 30 points. So this is the last trade I'm taking. I'm sticking to 2 trades per day. Okay, so we are in a buy position right there. Let's see what price does. So that's the last trade I'm taking. So no need for orders. The last trade I'm taking. So let's see what happens. If we lose this trade, then we'll call it a day, to be honest. So we lost the first trade. We lost the first sell trade. So let's see if price wants to go here. Ideally, price should get here. Because notice how above these levels we went all the way here. So most likely, I guess price should get here. Let's do 90. Yeah. Alright, so let's see what happens. If we go above a 1 to 2, they'll pull our stop loss. Okay. So we can close for 60. Alright, that's good. So we went for a 1 to 2, closed for $60. Went for a 1 to 2, went for 60 points, and closed for 60. Well, we had a retracement though. Oh, nice. We see price still went for a 1 to 3. But we still have to follow the rules. And yeah, so price ended up still going for 1 to 3. We might see a continuation to the upside for us to have a fake out to the downside. So we might see a continuation to the upside, or price starts going to the downside off of this level. But if we keep pushing to the upside, then price keeps pushing. It is what it is. So we basically made, okay. Let's see what we did today. Um, okay. Did we? I'm trying to even understand what we did today, to be honest. Today's 24th. I don't know. I'm not seeing what I did today. Today's 24th. Okay. Okay, so we ended up losing 43 in the first trade. Okay, which was bad. We ended up losing 43. But I don't know why they're not showing me my wins. What I won today. Yeah, I don't know why they're not showing me my wins. But we ended up making 60 and lost 40. But let's see. Let's turn on this. Let's turn on my execution marks. Okay. Yeah, but it's not showing me where I exited from. I don't know. But anyways, you guys saw it. We made 60, but then we lost 43, which I don't know how we lost 43. I thought we lost 30. No, this is not right. I think I need to restart this. But lost the first trade, and then we ended up making it all back times two on the second trade. So that's why risk to reward is important. So it's still a demo account. You guys already okay? Yeah, it's showing now. I was shocked why when we lost 42. I thought it was 30 we lost, because I remember I reduced the stop loss for the first trade to 30 points instead of 40 points. So I'm wondering why we lost 43 instead of 30. But anyways, it's okay. Even if we lost 40, we still ended up making it all back with some extra profits on top. So you can notice this is already the second trade after our account entered 600. So from 500, we've already entered close. We're so close to 700 right here. And yeah, so let's see what happens tomorrow. You guys know we started this demo account from $200. This is just the second month of me demo trading, and the account is already close to 700. Even if we do end this week with a $600 account, then it's okay because we still tripled the account we started with. So it's just showing you guys the strategy I'm using actually works. And yeah, so I didn't even see what Nasdaq did today. Oh, Nasdaq had a straight push to the downside. Whoa, Nasdaq had a straight push to the downside. Most likely this would have been the level and short position here. I don't know if we had a retracement though. 25 points. Yeah, so this would have been a really good trade. But if there was a retracement, then it's all good. People can still take a sell trade again. Oh yeah, there was. Notice how at 9:30 we pushed to the downside, then we went back up. But if we go to the downside again, then obviously I should have had a huge win. That would have been a huge win. And yeah, so I'm trying to see what would really have happened. Oh, we would have done the same thing. You see what I'm saying? That notice how, like I said, we had price broke here low at the first move. Then we went back up, meaning that obviously we would have gotten stopped out. And then when price pushes back down, we're already going below a 1 to 2 risk reward. So obviously our stop loss would have been at a 1 to 2. But notice how price went back up again and then before it went back down. So most likely same thing would have happened if we traded Nasdaq. So it's still all good in my opinion. It's still all good. Price is still pushing to the upside, already making a higher high, higher low. So we're going to continue pushing to the upside in my opinion. But today we ended up catching a 1 to 2, lost the first trade, made it all back with some profit on top on the second trade. Yeah, so price is really pushing to the upside, really pushing to the upside. As you can see, price has broken past this range, which I said if we break above, then we're gonna keep on pushing to the downside. Yeah, so price went all the way down. As you can see here, we're in the sell trade, but we had a lot of people buying here. That's why when price came back into this level, we had this huge push. So price should not just go back, come here, go down again, come here, go back. This is not a support and resistance, bouncing. This is New York session, so obviously we should see, good, huge prices in the market. Like what happened here, you can see after price went all the way here, aiming, hitting this level, we went all the way down, not ranging because this is New York session. We see huge moves in the market. So obviously same thing happened here. After price tapped into this level, we're going all the way. So maybe we push all the way into this level here, maybe before we start having some pushes to the downside. But yeah, that was basically it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.